Hi everyone, this is the part 2 video for the Sen2Cor utilized atmospheric correction of Sentinel-2 data. In this video, I will make my demonstrations for the Sentinel-2 Level 1C TOA top of atmosphere data atmospheric correction process to create Level 2A BOA bottom of atmosphere data as well as comparison of these two data products. So in this folder, you can see my downloaded Sentinel-2 data for the level 1C and level 2A data. So I've downloaded these data from different web resources. Actually, I've downloaded this one from the USGS Us Explorer website. And these three data I also downloaded from the Copernicus Open Access Hub. I've downloaded. So file name would be different. So these are different web resources I've downloaded. In this video, I will use this zip file from the Us Explorer downloaded data, and I already unzipped this one. So in this unzipped folder, you can see the data folder for the level 1C data. Also, you can see all the details of this image data. So I will copy this address to use for the Sen2Cor processing. At this point, I will open my command prompt to execute atmospheric correction process with my showed data, this level 1C data. Okay, so I'm located in my dispatch file based folder for this Sen2Cor program. So with that, I will make my command. With firstly, I will write on this batch file name L28 process.bat and shift. After that, I will copy my copied this address on here. Okay, after that, if you enter, and then you will see the process would be started, like this one. So product version would be 14.6, and also now it is started to have this Sen2Cor level 1C to level 2A process with this progress. Okay, so after around 20 minutes, I got this message: application terminated successfully. So you can see all the total elapsed time would be this around 20 minutes. Actually 19 minutes 41 seconds for this one. So if I will see this progress with this one, you can see many processes have been done for this kind of the Sen2Cor process to develop this kind of successfully terminated message. At this point, if you go back to your folder for this unzipped data, you can see this level 2A data folder have been created. So if you will see in this folder, you can see the granule and the image data. You can find all the different resolution based processed data on here. These can be opened on the QGIS as well as the ESA snap based. You can open all of these two data, level 1C and level 2A data. So I've successfully got this message to have this level 2A data from the level 1C data. Okay, so I will open these two data on the QGIS platform first. So now I have launched this QGIS desktop with blank map. Firstly, I will open the image data we saw. So with this data source manager, with this icon, you need to select this raster tab to open the raster data set with the image, satellite image. So actually my data, the data we will select would be this level 1C data. Actually this unzipped level 1C data with this one. So if we will click, you can find the granule folder, and then you can find this image data folder as well. On here, I will select this B02 and 03 and 05. This would be RGB data. So I will select these three data to open and add. If we will close this one, you can find this these three bands data are safely added on this QGIS blank map. Okay. After that, you need to go to this raster tab to find this miscellaneous menu and build virtual raster. If you will click, you can find this dialog box on here. Firstly, you need to check this one. Place each input file into a separate band. Okay. After that, if you will click this input layer, you can find this added three bands. So select all and run. After that, you can see this virtual, the band data for this build virtual raster things on here. Okay, so at this point I don't need these three bands, so I will remove this one. After that, if you right click on here, you can find this property. After that, you need to change this RGB band. So red band would be band 3. This would be band 04, and this one would be 03, and blue band would be 02. So I just selected as a band 1 to open data from my folder level 1C. Okay. After that, if you will click this apply button, you can see this optical image. Okay. So actually this data would be TOA data, top of atmosphere data. So based on this data, I will open another data set for the level 2A data. So this one. Same way, you can find this image data folder. In this case, I will open this all 10 meter, resolution 10 meter holds this band 2 to band 4 data. So I will open this one and then add, close. The samely, these three bands are safely added on this QGIS map. After that, again, go to raster tab, miscellaneous, build virtual raster. Check this one and open, select all except this virtual data. Okay, and then click run. So after that, you can also have this the virtual data set. So in here, I will close this these three data. After that, virtual right click property to change the band name. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, this would be RGB data. Band 4, band 3, and band 2. Okay. Apply. Okay. Then you can find this newly added this BOA data, bottom of atmosphere data. Okay. So if you will select and unselect this one, you might differentiate these two data's quality. Actually, this one would be after atmospheric correction data. This one would be before atmospheric correction data. So you can differentiate. This would be more clear, I think. So if you will use this one, this identify features, after that select any the point you would like to, and then you can see the value. Actually, this would be TOA data and this would be BOA data. You can find these different values on here. How about another scene with the water around? You can also see different values. With the before atmospheric correction value and this after atmospheric correction values. Okay, these are clearly different. So this would be QGIS based image. Open and check the value associated in these two different data products. So the another platform I would like to provide to you to open Sentinel-2 imagery would be this Snap software. So with this Snap software, you can open also this level 1C and level 2A data for the Sentinel-2 data products. So I will firstly click this level 1C folder and you need to click this .xml file to open the data for this Snap platform. So I just added this one and also another one. I will also this one level 2A data with this .xml file. You can also open this one. After that, click the first data and then go to this window tab to click open RGB image window. So if you will click this one, you can find this dialog box. So you can check this RGB image with the band 432. This is lightly selected, so I would like to click this OK button. After that, you can open the natural image data on this Snap platform. Okay. Also, samely, this level 2A data, I will select a window, open RGB window, click OK. So after that, this one would be after atmospheric correction, BOA data. Okay, so this would be TOA data. Maybe you can differentiate this atmospheric correction data on here. Okay. Also, you can use alternative way to check the data. So before that, you need to check this synchronized image views. First, with the check. After that, click this one. Tile horizontally. After that, you can see more clearly with this one. So this left hand side, this one would be TOA data before atmospheric correction. This right hand side after atmospheric correction data. So could not clearly can see, but I think this one would be more clear after the atmospheric correction. So you already checked the value with the before and after atmospheric correction with the Sentinel-2 data. Okay. So in this video, I have made the Sen2Cor utilized atmospheric correction of Sentinel-2 data and the processed data comparisons with the QGIS and Snap platforms. Thank you for watching.